If your downloads or updates stop when your PC goes to sleep on Windows 11, you are not alone. Many Reddit users tested this, and here are the methods that actually worked for most people. First, you need to know this Windows 11 cannot download or update in real sleep mode. So the solution is to use sleep-like settings that keeps your PC active. This is the most recommended solution on Reddit. Go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select system, on right side tap on power, tap on screen sleep and hibernate timeouts, and turn off my screen after, set this to few minutes, and make my device sleep after, set it to never, make my device hibernate after, set it to never. Your screen will turn off, but downloads and updates will continue in the background. Another method many users say works is hibernate. Go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it, and select this view by to large icons and select power options. On left side select choose what the power buttons do and tap on change settings that are currently unavailable, and check mark this hibernate option and select save changes option. And now just close up here and start your download. Then instead of you choose sleep, choose the hibernate option. Some Reddit users found that modern standby causes downloads to pause. You can disable it through the Windows registry. This method is for advanced users only, but many people reported improved download behavior after restarting. I show you guys how to do that. Go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Check my video description for this registry path. Just copy and paste it in the address bar and press enter. Make sure you selected the power option over here. On right side right click and select new and select default 32-bit value. And check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy and right click on the new value and select rename and paste the value we copied and press enter. Double click, set this value to 0 and click on OK. Now just close off here and restart your PC so that the changes will take effect. You can also use the Microsoft Power Toys. Go to search menu and type store. Click on the Microsoft Store and in search type here Microsoft Power Toy. Tap on the Microsoft Power Toys. Tap on this Microsoft Power Toys and select install option. After the installation done, it will opens up automatically as you can see. Select the awake on the left side. On right side, select the open settings option. Mode, set this to keep awake indefinitely. Now you can lock your screen or turn off the monitor while downloads continue in the background. So remember, Windows 11 can't download in real-time sleep mode, but these Reddit tested methods will keep your downloads running. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more tips like this.